In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a document from trash in Google Docs. We all know how important our documents can be, and sometimes we accidentally delete something that we desperately need back. Let's journey through the straightforward process of recovering your valuable work. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. It's like the home base for all your Google-related documents and files. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your account. Simply click on the appropriate account you wish to use. This is important because any documents you've accidentally trashed are linked to specific accounts, so make sure you're in the correct one. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to direct your attention to the left sidebar. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option labeled Trash. This is the digital equivalent of a recycling bin on your computer. It's a temporary home for all documents that you've deleted, but not permanently removed. Click on that trash icon to open it up and you'll be presented with all the files that have been deleted from your Google Drive but are still recoverable. Now within this view, take a moment to locate the document you wish to restore. You might have to scroll or use the search feature if you have many files there. When you find the document, look for the three dots or the More Actions icon next to the file name. This is the gateway to more options. Give that a click, and a small menu of actions will appear. Among these, you'll see the Restore option. Clicking Restore will take your document out of the trash and return it to its original location in your Google Drive. It's that simple. Your document is back just like that. Restoring documents is a lifesaver when you realize something was a little too hastily sent to trash. Remember though, files don't stay in trash forever. They are permanently deleted after 30 days. So make sure to restore any important documents before they're automatically erased. Thank you for tuning in to learn how to retrieve your document from trash in Google Docs. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful for you. Whether it was for an important assignment, an irreplaceable set of notes, or any other crucial file, now you know how to efficiently restore it. If you have any further questions or need additional help with Google Drive, feel free to check more of our handy tech tips. Stay organized and worry-free with Google's